My name's John, and I'm a hurricane hunter.
Johnny! Johnny, you okay? Johnny, are you okay? Are you okay?
How do we find them? Well, that's easy. Here in New Hampshire, every good day followed by a terrible one. That's when you get it.
The winds must be 75, 100 miles an hour. It's in the field. I got it in the field.
First we find them, then we shoot them, then we sell them. Ain't no one never done nothing like this before.
It's just a broken leg. You're a New Hampshire man. You can handle it. This is a big storm.